What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and another video on the BMW E60 520d today. Now I just want to be tackling a little job today, and it shouldn't really take that long, but basically I just want to remove and clean the DPF because I have a feeling it's getting pretty dirty now. So the DPF is situated underneath the car, and it's just between the it's after the catalytic converter, and then it is obviously before the tailpipe. So it's somewhere in the middle on this model. This is a BMW 520d with the N47 engine, and yeah, so let's get it off the car first. I'm pretty sure there's like 4 bolts either side of it, so 8 in total. So we've got to get all them off first, get it off the car, and then we can go ahead and start cleaning it. Okay then, so this is the setup that we have. We have a bucket underneath of this workbench. We have the DPF situated on top, and basically the bucket is just there to catch any dirt that falls out of it, because obviously, you know, we are cleaning it, so we are expecting a bit of soot to land in the bottom of there. So yeah, I'm just going to start cleaning it. If you do plan to clean the DPF yourself, make sure you wear some kind of mask, because it's really not a good idea to breathe any of this stuff in. So please make sure you wear a mask, and probably some eye protection as well. Okay then, so the DPF is now cleaned. It's now time to reinstall the gaskets. I am just going to reuse the original gaskets. I don't see why they wouldn't be okay to use. They look in fairly good condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of this gun gum gas tight silencer repair paste. I'm going to put some of this just to stick the gasket to this, and I'm going to put some on the top as well, and that will serve us with a good connection, a good airtight connection with the exhaust pipe as well. So yeah, let's stick these on. Okay then, so I've went ahead and put some of this exhaust paste on the actual DPF, and I put some on the gasket as well, so that'll stick to that. And that'll give a good connection when this, I'm pretty sure this is the, is this the front or the back? This is the part that connects to the downpipe, I believe. My back is aching lying on the floor, just being in the same position, trying to tighten bolts in. A little quick tip if you are doing this yourself, put the top bolts in first, because if you put the bottom ones in first, you'll have trouble trying to put the top ones in after. Now all 8 bolts are in, they're in position, they're finger tight, and now I've just got to tighten them up. Now I can use the impact wrench on some of them, as I did to undo them, but then on others I'm going to have to just use the ratchet and socket, simply due to the fact that there's not enough room of us like hitting against the heat shield. So yeah, some of them I just have to use the ratchet, and then the others I use the impact wrench for. Alright then guys, so job done for the day then. DPF has been cleaned, and I was just surprised at how much crap came out of the DPF when I was cleaning it. And when I put it in back on the car, I'm actually quite a fan of it. When the turbo spools, when you hear the whistle when it goes, I quite like that, to be honest. It's quite a nice little noise that it makes. But yeah, I hope this video has, you know, kind of helped you. I know it's not really been like a step-by-step guide of how to remove it and then clean it, but I hope that you kind of got the idea. And it is a job that you can do yourself at home. It's not a very complex job, you know. All you need to do is like take all the bolts off. As long as you can get good access to them bolts, then you should be pretty good. Now I'm not gonna lie, it would be a lot easier if you had a lift, you know, in a garage, and you know, you'd be able to get a lot better access, because it's not the most fun thing in the world lying on your back with your arm in the air trying to get rusty bolts off. You know, it's not that fun. So yeah, it would be a lot easier in a garage, but it is a task that you can do at home. All I done, you know, in terms of the height that I had the car at, I had a ramp, you know, the ramps that you just drive up. Unfortunately, I couldn't drive up because this is an M Sport and it's lower. So, you know, you can't just drive up the ramps because it just gets caught under the bumper. I had to jack it up at the side high enough to get the ramp underneath and load it on the ramp. And then I just put some actual stands along the chassis rail to just as extra security, basically, so the car doesn't fall on my head. But yeah, it is a fairly easy task. It's just one of those jobs that's, you know, pretty uncomfortable with, you know, with the nature of it, having to lie on the floor and whatever. But yeah, I hope this video has kind of helped you somewhat, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So please give this video a like if you have enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, because there'll be a hell load more videos on this car. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.